All right, hello everyone. Welcome to today's Simple Forex Setup Show. I'm going to start sharing the screen and we'll be looking at some charts on the H4 time frame. Let's see. Here we go. All right, so the first chart I've got up is Gbp Cad. At the moment, I'm in a short position on that one from yesterday. So that's still in progress. The next currency pair that I want to have a look at is the Aussie USD. On this one, I'm looking to enter this trade for a short on the H4 time frame. So let's do that now. All right. So new order, I'm looking to enter just below the bar, the previous bar, and then stop loss above it. We're looking at take profit. I'll probably do the horizontal line for the take profit. There we go. And then I'll still leave TP1 and TP2. And that's for a short. So that's the sell order there. All right, so that's a pending sell. Yep. Let's annotate that. So the entry will be here. Let me get the terminal. Let's have a look. So the price for the entry will be 76475. And then stop loss will be there. Stop loss will be at 76882. And then the first profit target will be 0.76068. That's DP1. Then TP2. There we go, TP2. Right, and then the profit target at the end. It's going to be around the horizontal line. So that's 73306. There we go. So that's the parameters for that trade. Short on Aussie US. Okay, if there's any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll be looking at Gbp USD is the next currency pair. So that one I'm looking for a long, just looking for probably a little bit more pullback there, in closer to the support line there, to the trend line, or a bit of a side movement, and then looking to go for a long after that. So let's see how that works out. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USD Jpy. So that one I'm still looking for a long, and we are now closer to that horizontal level. So just looking for a good price action there, in that area. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Gbp Jpy. So this one again, I'm looking for a long still on this one. At the moment, a little bit of a sideways move. So let's see if there's any confirmation for an upside there. Next currency pair is Euro USD. So this one I'm looking for a short, either around that area, or along here. So at the moment, looking for some kind of price action, for entry for a short. Next currency pair that I'm looking at is Euro Jpy. So that one I'm looking for a long in terms of the daily. Could be on that daily bar, or if there is a bit of pullback on the 4-hourly, looking for that a bit closer to the trend line there. Next currency pair is Euro AUD. So that one I'm looking for a short. However, it is going into a bit of a pressure tunnel there. So that price would need to be quite high up for the short. Otherwise, there's probably not enough room. So maybe waiting for the breakout and retest either at the top or at the bottom. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro Gbp. So this one I am still looking for a short on that, for the moment. So let's see what that price action is going to be around this area. I'm taking that down back to here. And the last currency pair that I'm going to be looking at is the USD Cad. So USD Cad, I'm looking for a short there, but it is going sideways a little bit there with a possible turn. So just being a bit cautious about that. Probably will wait for a breakout and retest through those through those trend lines there. So that is it for the charts. If you have any questions, pop it into the chat. Otherwise, I will put any trade updates into the Telegram group. You can follow along on there. And otherwise, I'll put the, otherwise the next show will be on Wednesday next week. Again, there will be two shows. So one at 9 a.m. Singapore time and one at 1 p.m. Singapore time. So two shows next Wednesday, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Have a great week of trading, and I will see you next week. Bye for now. Bye, Helen.